To access the American Express presale, you need to be an American Express card member. The first step is to check if you have an eligible American Express card, such as a personal or business card. If you do, you can proceed to the next step. American Express offers presale codes to its card members, which provide exclusive access to tickets for concerts, sports events, and other experiences before they go on sale to the general public. To get an American Express presale code, you need to log in to your American Express account online or through the mobile app. Once you are logged in, look for the American Express Experiences section, where you can find presale information and codes. You can also sign up for email notifications to receive presale alerts and codes. The presale code is usually a unique code that you can use to purchase tickets during the presale period. When a presale event is announced, American Express will typically send an email to eligible card members with the presale code and a link to purchase tickets. You can also find the presale code on the American Express website or mobile app. To use the presale code, go to the ticket vendor's website, such as Ticketmaster or Live Nation, and look for the presale option. Enter the presale code when prompted, and you will be able to purchase tickets before they go on sale to the general public. It is essential to note that presale codes are usually limited to a specific number of tickets per card member, and they may not be valid for all events. Additionally, presale codes are subject to change, so it is crucial to check the American Express website or mobile app regularly for updates. By following these steps, you can access the American Express presale and get exclusive access to tickets for your favorite events. Remember to always check the American Express website or mobile app for the latest presale information and codes, and to sign up for email notifications to stay up to date on upcoming presale events.